In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your selling limits on eBay. This is crucial information for anyone looking to sell on eBay, as it helps you understand the maximum number of items you can list and total sales you're allowed within a given period. Knowing your limits can empower you to plan your sales strategy effectively. Let's walk through the steps together. First, navigate to ebay.com. It's a good idea to make sure your internet connection is stable, as this will help ensure a smooth process without any hiccups. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. If you've saved your login details on your browser, this step should be quick and easy. Logging in ensures you have access to all account-related information, including your selling limits. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the upper part of the page and click on the Sell link. This is your gateway to all the selling tools eBay offers. If you're a new seller, this section might be full of information and new options. But don't worry, it's quite intuitive once you get the hang of it. Once the page loads, look for the Overview tab. It's usually located near the top of the selling dashboard. Clicking on Overview will take you to a summary page that gives you insight into your selling activities. This dashboard is like a command center for sellers, showing everything from listed items to sales performance. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Overview page. I know scrolling might seem like a small detail, but it's important to move past other sections that might catch your eye. You're looking for a specific section called Promotional Offers. It has a wealth of information on deals available to you as a seller, but more importantly, this is where you can view your selling limits. Here it will display details regarding how many more items or the total monetary value you can list within a specified time. This area is quite significant because understanding these numbers enables you to plan your listings according to capacity and avoid any surprises. By following these steps, you now know exactly where to find your eBay selling limits. It's a small but vital piece of information that can help you strategize better, enabling you to use your selling potential to its fullest extent. I'd recommend regularly checking your selling limits, especially if you're ramping up sales or launching new products. This will help keep your business flowing smoothly. Happy selling, and thank you for tuning in.